Alright, what's up guys? I am doing chicken wings tonight for dinner, and they are a lot cheaper to buy this way, full wing, and do it yourself. First thing I do is spread the wing open, chop that little nub off, save all these, they're good for stock, freeze them, do whatever. Next thing is grab the wing, grab the drumstick, put your finger under there like this, pinch it, and squeeze. That's going to show you the joint right here. Obviously look at my fingers, very, very dangerous, so be careful. Run it along the bone, give it a twist, you'll see it split that chicken wing right down there. Careful with your hand. Drop it on the bench, cut it, done. Once you get the hang of it, it's probably like, I don't know, 10-15 seconds of chicken leg, and it probably saves you a couple dollars in the long run. So we'll do the last one here. Lighting's probably terrible, but here we go. Grab it in between your fingers, index finger in the joint, wrap all your other fingers around it. It's going to show you this joint right here. A couple of strokes, you'll see the bone and the knuckle down. Drop it on the bench, cut it in half, 2 perfect pieces. Now we're gonna salt and pepper the heck out of them. A little bit of garlic powder, why not? Not gonna hurt it. Salt. Give it a stir up with my dirty hand. That's probably seasoned enough. Let's do a little more salt, a little more of everything, more stir, and then my contraption here, the Alton Brown Special. Sorry, one hand is dirty. It's a steamer basket that I made. Obviously, you don't pay attention to the little rusty 1/4 inch there. 3 baskets, and I'll put the wings on each layer and drop it in my stock pot and boil or steam them, which steam is going to reduce a lot of the fat in the wings, and then I will put them in a 425-degree oven for probably 20 minutes aside on a rack with a pan lined with foil. I'll show you that here in a minute too when I get there. Alright, I'll show you just what I do here. Most of the time I put the wingettes, or whatever you want to call these, on the bottom, because they do take a little bit longer to cook. They're a little thicker down by the main steam area there. And at this point it doesn't matter if they're touching, but when you are putting them in the oven, you don't want your food to really be touching. Then that's less surface area, and that it'll take longer to cook, and also produce uneven browning and stuff. So, but at this point, it does not matter. Might not have enough room. I have to do 2 batches. Cash under the table, he's still collecting on the door. Knowing him, I couldn't have guessed it. Like I said, it doesn't matter at this point. They're just going to be steaming and reducing all that fat. He's met this girl, he's sweet on. Come up, Guadalajara, says ATN, mi corazón. I know the boy like she don't. I know what world he's seen. And these come out super crispy, super delicious. No complaints. Ever. So there we go. Carousel, 3 wings in it. So we are going to bring this back up to a boil. Got a little bit. I got a bottle of beer, some parsley, garlic, a little bit of ginger, a little bit of pepper, a splash of apple cider vinegar, and one more thing, and that was granulated garlic, onion flakes. So bring that to a boil, drop it in there, let them go for probably, I don't know, 30 minutes. It's not going to hurt it. It's just going to reduce more of that skin fat and give you a crispier product in the oven. So I will show you that step here in a little bit. Thanks for watching. Alright, that's what they look like starting off in the steamer. And they'll steam for about 20 to 40 minutes, give or take. Then back on medium heat and let them go. Next step. Well, it's been about 15 minutes in the steamer apparatus here. I'm sure not much has changed. Yep, pretty much the same. We'll let it go for another 15 or so minutes. Then they'll pretty much be fully cooked. Then we'll rack them up on this. Spray it with some Pam or rub it with oil, whatever you need to do. I got parchment paper under there. You can use foil. I like parchment paper for this application. Let's see. We'll lay them out there, skin down as best I can. Then they'll go rest for about a half an hour to dry off, and then they'll go in the oven and skin down for 20 minutes, 425. Flip them over, skin up, 20 minutes, 425. And then they'll be ready to sauce. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, it's been about 40-ish, 35 minutes. A little different now. See all the grease in there? I don't know if you can see that or not. There's a lot of grease in there. So now we will take it off. Cooking spray, whatever you got. This is just easiest. Now, skin side down, the main skin side. Back, top, skin down. Okay, that can get washed. Like I said, I don't like anything touching. Plenty of room. It's like when you're doing a biscuit here or something. Give yourself enough room to do what you need to do. Alright, everything now, skin side is pretty much down. Okay, those are all pretty much with main skin down. Next, we'll let it air dry for about 20 minutes and then hit the oven. And then 20 minutes in the oven at 440, I got it right now, and then flip, and then 20 more minutes, and then glaze. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes. We'll rotate. Notice, zero smoke too. That's because I rendered off a lot of the fat already. Oh, you guys see those? We'll give them 10 minutes on that side and then we'll flip. It's been about another 10 minutes. This time we are going to flip.
I let you inside my heart with the only copy of the key. So now it's hydrocodone and green label jack. Push the pain away, but it won't bring you back. Won't bring you back.
Alright, back in. Even this time for another 15. Well, that's it. There they are. Nice crispy skin. Put them in your favorite sauces. Barbecue and some buffalo, and enjoy. Alright, thanks for watching. Fishing, turning, cooking, something.